Hi everyone, welcome to IFS Markets. I am Laura. Today is the 5th of July, which is a Monday. So welcome back everyone. Now, I've selected cryptos and the crypto we'll be talking about today is Bitcoin. We can see for the past 24 hours, there are 3,201 new articles towards Bitcoin. So obviously, crypto is a very popular product. Now, in sentiment analysis, we can see people are feeling positive, and the subjectivity is 39%, which means people are being rational. Now, in trend analysis, the Trading Central's professional are saying that it may rise by 46.81%. Now, going into the chart up there, they're saying short-term rebound towards 51252. So we can see the pivot point here is 27361. Again, this is a daily chart. Now, going down, they're saying the RSI is below 50 and the MACD is below its signal line and negative. The configuration is mixed. Moreover, the price is trading under the 20 days and 50 days moving average. Below, it's a series of supports and resistances. Here, I want to remind you that cryptos is a highly controlled, manipulated product. Therefore, generally speaking, that you can't just rely on the technical analysis. However, when it comes to bigger risk, that means there's bigger rewards. And I hope you all have a happy trading day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.